Let me ask you something important. What if I told you that you don't need to be rich, lucky, or a financial genius to start investing, but you do need a system? Most people never invest, not because they can't, but because they don't know where to start, what to trust, or how to avoid losing money. And that confusion keeps them stuck, working harder, saving more, but never truly getting ahead. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step investing blueprint for beginners, the exact framework millions of everyday people use to build wealth quietly over time. No hype, no complicated jargon, no get-rich-quick nonsense. Just a clear path from zero knowledge to confident investor. Let's get into it. Welcome to invesYou, the channel where money works for you, not the other way around. If you want to learn how to invest, grow wealth, and build financial freedom even if you're starting from scratch, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now, let's build your investing foundation, step by step. Before we talk about stocks, apps, or strategies, we need to fix one big misunderstanding. Investing is not gambling, it's not guessing, and it's definitely not day trading on emotion. At its core, investing is ownership. When you invest, you own pieces of businesses, you own real assets, you put money to work, so time and growth do the heavy lifting. Saving money protects your cash, investing grows it. And here's the truth most people never hear. You don't build wealth by how much you earn. You build wealth by how well you invest what you keep. That's why investing matters, especially for beginners. Let's talk about what not to do. Most beginners fail at investing for 3 reasons. Mistake number 1, waiting too long. People think they need more money, more knowledge, more confidence, but time is your greatest asset. Waiting costs you growth. Mistake number 2, chasing hype, hot stocks, crypto trends. This will explode tips. Most beginners lose money not because investing is risky, but because they invest without a plan. Mistake number 3, making it too complicated. Charts, indicators, constant buying and selling. Real wealth is built with boring consistency, not excitement. The good news? This blueprint avoids all of that. Before investing a single dollar, you need a solid base. Step 1A. Eliminate high-interest debt. Credit cards and payday loans grow faster against you than investments grow for you. Step 1B. Build an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of essential expenses in cash. Why? So you never have to sell investments during emergencies. Investing without a safety net is like building a house on sand. Every investor needs clarity. Ask yourself, am I investing for retirement, wealth building, passive income, financial freedom? Your time horizon matters. Short term, under 3 years. Investing is risky, long term, 10+ years. Investing becomes powerful. Beginners should focus on long-term growth, not quick wins. Your account type matters just as much as your investments. Common beginner accounts, retirement accounts, 401k, IRA, TFSA, RRSP, taxable brokerage accounts. Why this matters? Taxes silently destroy returns. Using tax-advantaged accounts lets your money compound faster and longer. You don't need hundreds of investments. Beginners should start with broad, diversified assets. Stocks, ownership in companies, ETFs, bundles of hundreds or thousands of stocks in one investment, index funds. Track the overall market instead of trying to beat it. For beginners, index ETFs are the foundation. Why? Low cost, built-in diversification, long-term growth. You don't need to pick winners. You just need to own the market. Here's a powerful truth. The amount matters less than consistency. Start with what you can. $25, $50, $100, automate it. Weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. This removes emotion and builds discipline. Investing isn't about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Risk isn't avoided. It's managed. Beginner rules: diversify, stay long-term, ignore daily market noise, rebalance. Occasionally markets go up and down, but historically, over time, they move up. The biggest risk? Quitting too early. Compounding is slow at first, then suddenly it's not. Money starts earning money. Growth builds on growth. Time becomes your ally. This is how average people quietly become wealthy. Not overnight, but inevitably. If this video helped you understand investing clearly, like this video, it tells YouTube to share it with more beginners. Subscribe to invesYou for step-by-step wealth strategies, passive income education, and investing clarity without the confusion. And remember, you don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start. Your future self will thank you. See you in the next video.